Oh boy, Happy New Year, I guess. Week into it already, and you can see some new friends I've made on this wonderful day in park. Well, just rainy, that's all that's the going on with it. God, second day in a row of rain, and it's already feels like we've had more rain than the rest of winter to date. Excuse me. Although, to be fair, we haven't even been a full month into winter official, but whatever. End of fall, too. Let's throw that in there. Yeah. And, got some nice geese here in the park. And, yeah, I needed to get out and have lunch in the park for just for a nice change of pace from being cooped up all holidays and all that. And oh boy, yeah. I don't know, just catching up. Holidays were fine. Saw family. Did stuff with family. Nothing really too fancy or spectacular. Just excuse me. Just usual family stuff, and New Year's is okay. Yeah, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Just had lunch. But yeah, New Year's was okay, so wasn't feeling too good the first day of the year, but I have so many more of those to come. Not feeling good, I mean. So, start off the year right? Oh, and honestly, I'm glad we're getting some rainy weather. I really like it. Very relaxing when, and just listen to the rain and read all day, Not that spending hours reading Wikipedia and TV tropes yesterday was what I did. Yeah. Been doing that. Been playing a bunch of Smash Brothers still, because that's still fun. I don't know, just usual first or start of the year stuff. I don't really think anything too fancy's been going on. Follow up to the last video I did. I think that was the last one where I was out for the day and got my car done. Took my mom into the dealership, and we looked at cars, and went to other places to look at cars, and then back to Ford, and we got her a new car after trying it out and trying out other places. I don't know, if we weren't shopping for one that could be passed down for me, I think we could have just gone to the Toyota dealership and gotten her Prius, like she probably preferred, I guess, from what I gathered. But I can't fit in one of those is the problem. We tried, and in fact there was one that I couldn't even get in. Like we tried out a 2019, I think 2018, basically a new Prius, and then that was one that I could actually fit in, which all four of them being targeting that that audience and going for the smaller car and more efficient car, which is exactly how you're supposed to do things, but you can't really market those in America when you have such a large amount of obese population in this country. So yeah. that's the biggest downside. Although for a moment there, I thought my mom was almost interested in a crossover because it was almost small enough, like it was smaller than my Escape there. So, but you know, I was honestly shocked that we even considered it for a moment. But what the hey, it was neat. Yeah, it was just interesting experience. And you know, the guy at the Ford dealership that we ended up buying from, he was super nice. He was like the nicest dude, and it was just like, hey, let's just show you all of our cars, and I'm not going to put any pressure on you, and made a lot friendlier experience. Although the guy at the Toyota dealership was the same way, only seemed a bit more aloof on it. So he was a cool guy too. So yeah, I don't know. One day we went in and the guy running the sales floor was just like super pushy. How do we get you in the car? What car? I'll set you up with this one. Do this one. Do this one. I was like, yeah, we're going to wait and see and try other places. So yeah, but we found one she likes, so that's a good sign. Found one that I can eventually use, so that's a good sign. And well, when that comes, I guess I'm giving it my Escape, but whatever. Excuse me. Like I said, just had lunch, so I have a bit of build up, and plus with this weather, oh man, just physically not feeling good this year so far. So that's you know, that's not unexpected. It's flu season, you know, and yeah, and just getting a bit of a cold is extra miserable when you can't just go out and sun yourself or something like that, or it costs too much to hide in the shower all day. But whatever. I know. I usually only get really stuffy at the end of the day most of the time, so whatever. As for stuff for this year, stuff I want going on, definitely want to get back to working on the game with Ethan, or doing my part on it even more so, because you know, which one of us is the one with the more free time, and it's not the guy working for Disney, I'm going to tell you that. But yeah, I want to help him out on that and help that get going. Maybe try and get some other stuff going. Might finally try getting back into writing. I have some silly alt history ideas, you know. So, some more silly than others, but you know, I don't know. I'm just curious about telling some of these, but if I can, I know I have so many story ideas I wish I could just write down. I really don't know what the psychological block on that is. If only I can get my new friends there to help me out. They would totally not just eat my computer and try and kill me afterwards. Yeah, got that going. I got everything booked and all that for the pony convention at the end of April, so that will be a thing, I guess. It's going to be a long convention from the sounds of it, and that's cool. Oh yeah, and they also announced that they got Maurice LaMarche for it, so Oh, I so want to meet him. I mean, being an Animaniacs Pinky and the Brain fan, of course I want to meet him. Then again, I'm Powerpuff Girls Teen Titans fan, and I still hadn't gone over to say hey to Tara Strong, so yeah. But whatever. Yeah, looking forward to that, but that's, a for fun thing. I want to still try and focus more on getting the non-adulting side of life going a bit better for myself, but that's how I am every day of the year anyway. Yeah. Uh-oh, I think I provoked one. Coming over, huh? Nope. Okay. I know, I just like the geese. See, as long as I'm, far enough away from them. Oh, geese. Anyway, I got a hot coffee waiting for me in my car, so I am going to go back to that and then probably upload this video when I get home. So, Geese, I hope I have your permission to post you on the internet, but you're probably giving off RFID tags and everything, so you're being tracked anyway. So see you around. Hope everyone's New Year's looking good so far. And if not, hope it gets better. So thanks for supporting me, and see you next time.